This Edge is a limited AWD with extras like panoramic roof, 20 wheels, in-dash navigation, power liftgate and much more. It takes an interaction of 72 muscles to produce human speech. It's amazing how so many dealerships use those muscles for all the wrong reasons. At All American we'll use them to tell you what's important to you. Kelley Book Blue appraises this vehicle for $32,360, we're discounting at $4,500 and it's yours for $27,860. By the way, did I mention it's also Ford certified, giving you a 6-year/100K warranty? However, make a reasonable offer and we'll be sure to take you seriously. Please ask us about our AAA All-American Advantage before you purchase from anyone else. Whenever your vehicle needs to visit our shop, we'll provide you with pickup and drop-off service, service loaner, or while you wait, check out the all-new All-American Gym. We always offer low finance rates whether you have good or challenging credit. We offer a large selection of extended warranties to fix any budget. A Carfax report is available upon request. This vehicle's stock is U87002.